Make a great choice today with the 2024 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, rear wheel drive. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance